welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the DSTV Liberia customer care number. So if you are having any problem on your DSTV, or you are trying to activate a new decoder and you need to call them for help, all you got to do is to look on your screen. The number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current active number, pick up your DSTV remote and press on the blue logo, which is a DSTV logo on it, and it's going to take you to the menu. On the menu here, use the arrow left and right keys and look for help. So when you find help, you come down to the first option, which is contact us, and you press OK on it, and use the arrow left and right keys, put it on the call option, and then scroll down to find the Liberian number from the list. The number will be on your screen as well. But for you to check the current active number, scroll down. Alright, so here is the number, +231 886. It will be on your screen. So make sure that you have enough airtime before calling them. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate, so just be mindful of that. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.